Welcome back.
What I will say?
Hello and welcome back to German Brew. Today I make a tasting with my beautiful wife.
Hi again, everyone.
I can make her shy. We try today the Sir William Paston meth. I make, when I started in September last year, I started, and it's ended in November. So it's just a little bit more than 5 months old. And the color is pretty, really beautiful. You'll see it in the glass in a moment. And yes, we will try today how it tastes. I like the taste in the beginning.
What's inside of this? There's honey, Baileaves, rosemary, lemon peel, and water.
Yes, that's everything.
And the alcohol is 10%.
Around 10%, yes.
Not that bad, not that high.
Little fizz. You want to?
Smells sweet.
It smells sweet, is a good sign. So we already can see we have a little bit sparkling. Just small.
I will try first.
You will try first.
Okay, ladies first. So we will try
Yes, this one.
how it will taste. It smells good. It's not smells so alcohol something, but it really smells good and smells sweet, and yeah, and I can smell the rosemary. Yeah, nice smell. I also have a glass. I thought that
Yes, no, I can drink of this. This one is a nosing glass, normally for whiskey, but you can smell the aroma more.
Yeah.
Yes,
It
the honey is
smells
really
good.
in the front.
It's
But
stronger.
also the rosemary and bay leaves. You can smell it already there, I think, yes. Okay, I try with this one.
It's minty because I just, just brushed it.
Okay, that's a big problem.
I taste mint.
There is no mint. First of all, there's the sweetness that's touching the tongue.
Okay.
And then the sparkling. It really sparkled. I didn't know. I bottled it too early, so it re-fermented in the bottle. I can taste the lemon and the bay leaves.
I didn't taste anything.
You don't taste anything.
It's just tastes mental.
Mm.
You don't tell me
What do you think what wine tastes like?
No, just drinking.
Just drinking.
Yeah.
So, I like it. I need to make it again. And the color is beautiful. You can see it better in this one. First here. And also here. A really great color, but maybe you can smell it here better. I wanted to taste also from a wine glass.
Smells like honey. And a pinch of rosemary. You can also take smell. And the alcohol.
And alcohol. Yes, it's still a little young. But I'm pretty sure this is mead that a lot of people will like.
Okay.
It's just simple. Still sweet. And the herbs give it a little bit extra. And the recipe is from 1669.
From St. William Paston's Meath.
Sir William Paston. Yeah. On my channel the video is now here in the corner. I always forget which corner. And still just mint.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one we will make without brushing the teeth before.
Yeah, I cannot see. I cannot say what this is.
So, we need to make it again so my wife can drink it again.
You need to make it again?
The meat, I need to make it again.
Really clear.
It's absolutely perfect. Okay, that's for today.
I almost drink everything!
I like it. I really like it, I need to say. I need to make it again.
Okay.
I'm sure my colleague also will like it when I give it. And you almost drink everything.
Yeah.
We still need to make a meat.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Okay. My wife will be drunk. Okay, we'll see us the next time. From the tasting, I still have 5 bottles left from the moving, not more.
Okay.
I just choose the 5 more promising and the one I wanted to know if they end good or not.
Okay.
Like the banana meat I make. This I didn't like when I bottled it, but and my wife is already drunk. So if you like the video, here are 2 more. You can also subscribe. And if you like and speak Tagalog, you can follow my wife on Facebook.
Yeah, I am more active in Facebook.
Bye.